Every words in context question on the SAT can be solved with the same four-step formula. By the end of this video, you'll know the steps, why each one works, and the 3 traps that catch most students. I'll show you the formula first, then we'll drill it on 5 real questions: easy, medium, and hard. Here's the 4-step formula. Take a beat to read it, then we'll go deeper on each step. Step 1, cover the choices. Read the sentence with the blank, plus the sentence right before or after it. Don't peek at A through D yet. Every wrong choice is engineered to sound smart in isolation. If you read them too early, your brain anchors on whichever one feels good instead of the meaning the passage actually demands. Step 2. Circle the signal. Find the word or punctuation that pins the blank's direction. A colon or dash means restatement. And or also means continuation, same direction. But, though or rather means contrast, flip direction. Because, since, as, or so means cause and effect. Once you see the signal, 3 of the 4 choices are usually pointing the wrong way. Step 3. Predict in plain English. Before looking at the choices, say or write a 2 or 3 word version of the missing word, plain English. Don't reach for SAT vocabulary. The test is checking whether you understand the meaning, not whether you can guess the same exact word the test writer chose. Your prediction is your anchor. Step 4. Match, then plug test. Find the choice closest to your prediction. Plug it into the sentence and read it out loud. The right answer must work in both meaning and tone. Wrong register, wrong polarity, wrong intensity, any of those kills a choice, even if its definition technically fits. 3 traps catch most students on this question type. Same drill. Here's the lineup, then we'll cover each one. Trap 1, same topic distractor. A choice that relates to the passage's topic but doesn't fit the specific blank. Garden passage. Memory looks atmospheric, but the sentence is about a scent. Grading the topic instead of the sentence is the #1 mistake here. Trap 2, direction trap. A choice that goes the wrong way relative to the signal word. The passage uses but or yet, so your prediction has to flip, and the trap choice continues the previous idea instead of contrasting it. If you skipped step 2, you walk right into this one. Trap 3, connotation trap. A choice whose dictionary definition is fine, but whose connotation conflicts with the passage's tone. Exhaustive, thorough and admiring. Exhausting, draining and negative. Same root, opposite vibe. The plug test in step 4 catches these. Let's start with an easy one. The passage talks about gut microbiota. Recent research has revealed their role in immunity, digestion, even mental health. But the last sentence says, many mechanisms remain poorly blank. Step 1, cover the choices. I'm reading the sentence and the one before it, ignoring A through D. The passage shows scientists have made discoveries, then pivots with, yet many mechanisms remain poorly blank. Step 2, circle the signal. The signal word is yet. Contrast. The first half says we've revealed and highlighted things, yet flips that. We're now talking about a gap in knowledge. Step 3, predict in plain English. What's the gap? The mechanisms are poorly known, poorly figured out, poorly understood. Now let's check the choices. Choice B, developed. Mechanisms aren't developed, they exist in nature. Wrong kind of word, cross it. Choice C, addressed. You address a problem, not a mechanism. And poorly addressed doesn't capture a knowledge gap. Cross it. Choice D, controlled. Shifts to intervention, but the passage is about what scientists know, not what they're doing about it. Cross it. Choice understood, exact match to my prediction. Answer A. The signal word yet did all the work. Once you see it, the prediction is automatic. Now another easy one, but watch the trap. Passage about the Gutenberg press. It revolutionized book production and made information more accessible than ever before. The blank. This innovation enabled the blank dissemination of knowledge. Step 1, cover the choices. Done. I have the surrounding sentences in front of me. Step 2, circle the signal. No transition word, but the passage gives a strong directional language. Revolutionized, more accessible than ever before, reducing the cost. Everything points one way, positive and broad. Step 3, predict in plain English. Information was being spread far and wide. Predict, or broad or everywhere. Choices. Choice A, limited direction trap. This is the opposite of what the passage describes. The press expanded access. Cross it. Choice C, sporadic. irregular, scattered, contradicts, more accessible than ever. Cross it. Choice D, experimental. The dissemination wasn't a trial run, it was a transformation. Cross it. Choice B, widespread. Direct match. Answer B. Notice choice A, limited, is the text direction trap. Without step 2, a student might pick it because limited dissemination sounds like a real phrase, but the passage's signals all point the other way. Let's bump the difficulty. This one is medium, and it shows a different trap. Passage on Impressionism, artists focused on capturing the fleeting effects of light and color, often painting outdoors en plein air to achieve their desired blank. Step 1. Cover the choices. Done. Step 2. Circle the signal. No transition word. The clue is in the verb chain, capturing the fleeting effects to achieve their desired blank. The blank names what they're trying to capture. Step 3. Predict in plain English. They want to catch the moment, the true quality of light, the core thing, predict core or true nature. Choices. Choice A, urgency. Fleeting doesn't mean urgent. Nothing in the passage signals time pressure. Cross it. Choice D, ambition. Ambition is something a painter has, not something they paint outdoors to capture. Wrong target for achieve. Cross it. Choice B, tranquility. Pause here. This is the trap. Impressionist paintings do feel tranquil. Water lilies, gardens, soft light. So a student who's been thinking about the topic might say, yeah, tranquility, that fits. But the sentence isn't about how the painting feels to a viewer. It's about what artists were trying to achieve technically. That's a same topic distractor. The choice is true about the topic, but not about this sentence. Cross it. Choice C, essence. Exact match. Essence means the core nature of something. They wanted to capture the essence of light. Answer C. The same topic distractor is the most dangerous trap on this question type. If you skip step 1 and look at the choices first, tranquility pulls you in because Impressionism is famously tranquil. Step 1, covering the choices, protects you from that pull. Another medium. This passage is about medical imaging, MRIs and CT scans. The blank. Technologies such as MRI and CT scans have blanked the need for invasive exploratory surgery. Step 1, cover the choices. Done. Step 2, circle the signal. Surrounding context is positive, revolutionized, improved patient outcomes, reduced healthcare costs. The cause-effect signal is by allowing physicians to visualize internal organs, technologies have the need for surgery. If you can see inside the body without cutting, you don't need to cut. Step 3, predict in plain English, removed, got rid of, made unnecessary. Choices. Choice A, amplified, direction trap. Better imaging would not increase the need for surgery. Opposite direction, cross it. Choice D, redistributed. The need isn't being shuffled, it's being made unnecessary. Cross it. Choice C, dampened, closer. Dampened means weakened. But the passage uses strong language. Revolutionized, reduced costs significantly. A student who skipped the plug test in step 4 might pick this. The plug test catches it. Dampened the need is a soft phrase. The passage demands a strong one. Choice B, eliminated, match. Stronger than dampened matches the surrounding strength. Answer B. Step 4, match, then plug test. Was the difference here? Dampened is in the right direction, but its intensity is wrong. Reading the choice inside the sentence reveals the mismatch. Last one, the hard one. If you can apply the formula on this one, you're set for test day. Passage about Impressionism again. Artists of this movement sought to capture fleeting moments and the blank effects of light. Step 1, cover the choices. Done. Step 2, circle the signal. This is the key step on this question. The signal is the word and. Continuation, fleeting moments and the blank effects of light. Those two phrases point in the same direction, so the blank has to mean roughly the same thing as fleeting. Step 3, predict in plain English. Fleeting means brief, passing, short-lived. Predict short-lived. Choices. Choice B, static, direction trap. Static is the opposite of fleeting. If a student missed the and signal in step 2, they might pick this, but and means same direction, not opposite. Cross it. Choice C, distorted, connotation trap. Distorted implies the artists rendered light incorrectly. The passage admires their work. Wrong tone. Cross it. Choice D, methodical. Methodical means systematic and slow, contradicts fleeting moments. Cross it. Choice A, transient. Direct match. Transient is the SAT vocabulary version of short-lived. Answer. The and signal is doing the heavy lifting. Same direction as fleeting, eliminate 3 out of 4 choices in one move. That's the formula working. The words in context formula. Step 1, cover the choices before reading the sentence. Step 2, circle the signal, punctuation, but, and, because. Step 3, predict in plain English. 2 or 3 words is fine. Step 4, match, then plug test, meaning and tone. Watch out for same topic distractor, true about the topic, false about this sentence, direction trap, wrong polarity given the signal word, connotation trap, right definition, wrong vibe. Key rule, cover, signal, predict, match. CSPM, screenshot this, and run it on every words in context question in your next practice set. That's the formula. If it helped, like and subscribe. Drop a comment with which question type you want me to formulaize next.